Today, I'm putting my skills to the test as I try to change my car tire like a pro, and I'm going to show you exactly how it's done in 2025. Changing a car tire can seem intimidating, but with the right tools and techniques, you'll be able to do it like a pro. In this video, you'll learn how to change your car tire like a pro in 2025, using the latest tools and techniques. Changing a tire can be daunting for many, especially if you're stranded on the side of the road or in bad weather. I know how frustrating it can be when your tire goes flat and you're not sure what to do. The good news is that with some basic knowledge and practice, you'll be able to change your tire quickly and safely. Many people feel anxious about changing a tire, but I'm here to guide you through it. We'll walk through each step of the tire changing process, from gathering your tools to safely lifting the car and replacing the tire. The first step is to find a safe location to change your tire, away from traffic and any hazards. Make sure the surface is level and firm, and turn off the engine and engage the parking brake. Your safety is the top priority, so take your time and choose a safe spot. The key moment is when you successfully secure the new tire and lower the car, ensuring it's safe to drive away. That feeling of accomplishment is the best part of changing a tire yourself. You'll feel more confident and self-sufficient, and you'll be able to handle any tire emergency that comes your way. And don't worry if you've never changed a tire before, it's easier than you think. Remember, changing a tire is a skill that every driver should have. Recap the steps we covered for quick reference. If you found this video helpful, check out our next video on car maintenance tips, and leave a comment with your thoughts.